War day number 840. 840 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June 12th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have one binary puzzle, 3 regular puzzles, but we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And the first puzzle is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. Number. This will be number 8702. 8702. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. A 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, with 25 printed digits, this one has 26. So I think it's a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is it a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Right. Then 1, 7, 5. Okay. How about? The 2 here. The 6 here. Need the 8 here. Need a 4 here. We have a pair. 4 and 8 in this row. 4 and 8 in the middle rows and the row above. The only 3 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Alright. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 3 places level 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 3 places level 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the row below, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. The only place left, the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Alright. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. And now, let me see. 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. How about a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have 6 in this column, no, last column, no 6 there. 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright, and now 7. Then. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. We have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, 179, and look, we have 1 and 7 in this big square, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as appear, so 1 digit left for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the one is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 missing numbers in the first row are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. So the 5 and the 9 are left. 5 and the 9. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Yeah, same numbers. 5 and the 9. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 5 goes there, 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, sorry. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for 9. Could be here, could be there. The other number in this column are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. No. We have a 1 here. Again, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have 4 now in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, solve it again. 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. Not the 3 stars. Not the 2 stars. Not the 1 star. 0 stars. I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.